Well, Johnny, first of all, congratulations. It seemed like you guys put a real shift on out there this evening. How do you assess that performance?
Yeah, I think it's a massive 3 points for us in the scheme of things. Obviously, I thought we started the game very, very well, but obviously got that sucker punch of going 1-0 down. I thought we reacted very well, got 2 quick-fire goals, and I think we took control of the game from there.
Yeah, you went a goal behind almost against the run of play. Did TNS surprise you this evening?
I wouldn't say surprise us. We knew how good they were. They're in this competition for a reason, like every other team. I wouldn't say it surprised us, but it was a good goal on the transition, and we needed to be better, but we reacted very well. You
very quickly got the equaliser there as well. Tell me what was going through your mind at that point.
I knew how good Neil is on the half turn and one touch, so played it around the corner. I just had to compose myself and try and finish it.
Yeah, and then of course to go on and win the game as well in the first half. It was a great evening and a nice way, I suppose, as well to bounce back from the disappointment of Friday night for you guys.
Yeah, I think it's a great goal from Dylan, stepping up once again. He stepped up all year for us, and the last few weeks he stepped up with massive goals for us. And yeah, it's big plus to be winning a game tonight after what happened on Friday, but that's football and we'll take from there.
Appreciate your time. Diolch yn fawr.